name is Evan Covington, and I'm going to show you why soda makes you burp. So when you drink soda, the carbon dioxide gas separates from the liquid, and as the pressure builds up, it needs to go somewhere, so that pressure is released as a burp. So all I did was I put a balloon on and sealed it with a rubber band, so.
That's all I do.
Oh, goodness. Now the gas is filling the balloon. Not very much, but. Thank you for watching my selfie science video for the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History.